In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can fix it when the comments on Instagram are missing, so you can't see any comments on your Instagram. So this can be happening for one of many reasons, but one of the reasons, or the main reasons, is because on some profiles, people have the option to mute comments or turn off comments on their profiles, but that would be like a once-off thing when you're scrolling through your news feed. If you see some comments that aren't loading up, but you do see other comments, then you'll just see that that specific creator has turned off the comments on their photos. But if you're scrolling through your newsfeed and you notice that like every single post you're not able to see comments, then that can be happening. It could be a bug within Instagram, or it could just be because Instagram is down. If Instagram is down, then nothing's going to work and you won't be able to do much on the app. So you have to be able to check if Instagram is down. You can do that by going onto YouTube, seeing if there's other videos, or you can check the comments section of specific videos to see if everyone's complaining within a short period of time, or you could just go to some down detection websites. But if Instagram isn't down, what you can do is you can just try close out the Instagram app, then go back into Instagram. That fixes the problem often, and you can try that out. Just close out the app and go back in. And if it's a bug, what you need to do is update your Instagram app. So you can head to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Then in the search bar, you just want to type Instagram, just like so. I spelled it wrong, but then hit search. And there you can see I have an update for Instagram. So make sure you update to the latest version of Instagram. So typically it's going to be happening because of a bug or because Instagram is actually down. So make sure you check if Instagram is down first. And then if it's not down, you can do the rest of the steps that I mentioned within this video. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.